prevent fear of noises. We don't want our puppies to ever feel scared or distressed when they hear a loud or unusual noise, which is why introducing different noises gradually, early on in their life, can prevent this from happening. Common noises that can frighten dogs that we want them to get used to may include fireworks, traffic, household noises, and children.
So you can tell signs that a puppy might be slightly worried or slightly stressed by noises by things that they might be doing with their body language. So it can range from very subtle signs such as the dog not eating, not taking treats, their ears going back, lip licking, and obviously the more intense signs of anxiety such as the dog shaking or hiding. What we're trying to do at dog school is really try and associate noises with something positive, so introduce them really gradually in our classes. So noise fears are easily preventable if we can train our puppies and get them used to these things as puppies. So this is why here at dog school we really build the positives to try and avoid them getting those fears later on in life. We have a sound CD, so we'd started at week 1 or 2 at a very, very low volume where the puppies don't even really notice these sounds are going on. And all the time we're doing nice things with our puppies, really, really positive associations. Over the weeks we increase the volume so that this becomes normal real life volume. So the end game is that a dog actually pays no attention to these noises or even better predicts something great happening. Ultimately, if you have got concerns there, seeking professional help, going to your vet and getting help from a behaviourist.